If your white canvas shoes get dirty, it's easy to hand wash them. First, let any dirt or mud on your shoes dry out. Then, tap the soles together to shake the dirt loose and help get any setting grime out of the treads. Go over the shoes with an old toothbrush to remove as much of the dried dirt from the surface as possible, giving special attention to any creases. Next, take the laces out of your shoes and put them in a bowl of water with a few drops of detergent. Set them aside to soak while you deep clean your shoes. To clean the soles, mix together equal parts baking soda and water, then dip an old toothbrush in the mixture. Use the brush to massage the baking soda paste into the soles, and be sure to get into the spaces between the cleats. When you're done, wipe the soles with a clean cloth. Add a few drops of regular laundry detergent to a bowl of cool water and dip a clean toothbrush in it. Buff the brush over the top surface of your shoes, using circular motions. If there are any stained areas, focus on those. Start at the outside of the stain and work your way in. Use a cloth dipped in clean cold water to rinse any soap residue off of the shoe. Try not to get the inside of your shoes wet. Finally, place your shoes in a warm, well-ventilated area to air dry. If your laces are still dirty after soaking in soapy water, give them a scrub with a toothbrush and rinse them out. Then, lay them out to dry. Avoid wearing your shoes until they're completely dry.